Hello and welcome to the agenda and objectives for the week of February 8th. A couple things you may notice. First, there is no weekly review this week. That's because we started into a new chapter and we have to build some background information, so weekly review will be back next week. If you notice, we have a few more videos this time because we are starting into a new chapter and we need to make sure that we all have some common vocabulary and understand some of that groundwork before we build upon it. So there actually are 5 videos. It's usually the same amount of time in videos. It's just that we broke them up by the concepts that you are doing. Okay, so if you look, we have 3 objectives that we are going to be working on here. The first is to classify polynomials by degree and term, and you can see that over here that it goes with this video. The second is to add or subtract polynomials. You can see that that takes up a lot of our time. That's very important going forward. And then our last one is to divide a polynomial by a monomial, and that is here. Okay, once again, the links of the videos are there for you so that you can budget your time accordingly. Remember that these are ones that you will need your algebra notebook for so that you can follow along and fill in as needed. Also, as we flip to the next part of our module, it might be good to note that this first video goes with the formative assessment polynomial 1. So you can see that since we switched chapters, this switched from SYS for systems to poly for polynomials. Okay, that these 3 videos together go with the formative assessment poly 2, and this one video by itself goes with the formative assessment poly 3. So I'll let you determine if you want to do all of the videos and then do the formative assessments, or if you want to do the first video and then work on that formative assessment. Do the second video, work on the second formative assessment. Do the third video, work on the third formative assessment. So that's your call, whatever makes more sense to you and how you want to break it down. Little bit of a change with our formative assessments because we have Monday, February 15th off for President's Day. Then you'll notice that this February 16th is a Tuesday. So still 9 a.m., but Tuesday because of that Monday being President's Day. So after you watch the videos and you give the formative assessments a try, please make sure that if you have questions or if you just want to stop in and say hello, that we do have Zoom sessions on each one of these days. In addition, you can always Canvas message me if you need me before that. Okay? After you get all your questions answered, the last thing that you should do then is to take your summative assessment. Notice that once again that changed from SYS from systems to polynomials, so poly. Remember that summative is where we do our one attempt. It's like our test. So make sure you do all those formative assessments, get your questions answered ahead of time. And once again, this is February 16th, which is a Tuesday because of Monday being the 15th, which is President's Day. All right, if you have any questions, please Canvas message me, and have a great day.